Welcome back, everyone. Today, let's create a teleporter. So, we need two things to create teleporter, two parts actually. We need a part that player hits to teleport, and we need a part to set a destination. So, what I'm going to do is add a part. So, this is going to be our teleporter. This is what player will be walking into. Okay, something like that. Then what I want to do is turn off can collide and set anchor to true. Then I need another part. I'm just going to duplicate it and move it right here. And this one doesn't need to look good. Either one doesn't. Set it to right here. So this is the important part. So I'm going to teleport a player to this part's position, but you need to know its looking direction, right? The forward direction. That's the way the player will be facing into. So what you want to do is right click on the part and select show indication, show orientation indicator right here. So this will be the player will be facing this way. If you want to face the player another way, you can rotate it like so. So he will be rotated in this way. So I'm going to use another color for this. Doesn't matter. Okay, now we are gonna name this. So this is teleport art. This is gonna be teleport position. It will be better to group them if you want to organize this better. So group it. So let's call it teleporter. Let's add a save script. I'm going to call it teleporter script. Okay, let's now get first of all reference to our two parts. Okay, I'm on the teleport part. First script dot teleport part. Welcome. Teleport position equals script.parent.teleport position. Now, what you want to do is detect if the player hits this grid part, which is the teleport part. Okay, teleport part dot touched connect. I'm going to create a separate function for this function. One touch teleport part. Then I'm gonna connect this function right here, and we want to get the part that touched this part. So touched part. Okay. Let's see if we get a print message when we touch it. Let's see. Touched. Let's also print out the part's name. Touched part name. So this will be a part. I'm gonna define it. The type. Okay, let's try it. All right, let's walk through it. Okay, as you can see in the console, we are seeing lots of touch things. That's because the player has lots of parts and each one is touching it. So this is a problem that we need to fix, because if it touching like lots of parts, this function will be run so many times. So that's a performance issue, and the teleporter might not work as we want. So what I'm going to do is add a check to the player's character. So first of all, I'm going to check if the player's character has like the touched parts parent has a humanoid. If it has a humanoid, then it means it's a character. Okay, so how are we going to check it? So what you're going to do is if touchpad.parent So let's check if it's not doesn't have a parent. If not, touchpad dot parent or touchpad dot parent find first child, let's say humanoid, and we have to put not here, then return n. So this ensures that this is a player that's touching this, not a normal part. Then we want to add a debounce. It's like that ensures that player only touches one part and the function will run only once. So how we gonna do this? I mean, I can add a like variable to the teleporter, but it's not a good way. I'm going to use something called attributes. Attributes is, if you don't know, if you click on a part, if you go down here, you can see a field called attribute. We can put anything right here. So let's say I'm going to put active or something like that. Active tip or whatever. It will be right here, and it can contain any value, and we can get it from a script and set it from a script. So I'm going to delete this just for now. Okay, all I'm going to check is if touched part dot parent get attribute, let's say teleporter debounce, then return n. Then when he touches the part, so we ensure that's a player, and we ensure that the player doesn't like have a debounce. Then what I'm going to do is touch part dot parent set attribute. I'm going to set it to him. That means he will no longer able to trigger this function again. But we want player to access this function again, but in a delay. So how we going to do this? We're going to do delay. We want to put a timer. So let's declare a variable here. Local debounce time equals 1. Let's say it's a 1 second delay. 1. Then after 1 second, all I'm going to do is set this to nil. So it's going to remove itself after 1 second. Sorry about that. Okay, all we have to do is now teleport the character. So we say touch.parent. So all we reference is the player character. I'm gonna put it in a variable, so it's easy. So can do character.parent. So we can replace all of these with this. Okay, character is a model, so I'm going to specify the type, so it's easier for the autocomplete to be correct. All we want to do is character pivot to, and we get pivot from the teleport position part. Teleport position, get pivot. So that's it. That is easy, very easy like that. I think I forgot to like change the can collide. No, I did it correctly. So no can collide on these two parts and anchor them. So let's see if this is gonna work or not, and if we get any errors. Okay, so far so good. Touch it. See, I'm right here. So that's how you make a teleporter. So thanks for watching, guys. If you like this, give a like to a video. These are my first videos of the channel. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye.